Namaste everyone, welcome to Sudeha Yoga. I am very happy today because our Sudeha channel got 1000 plus subscribers. We are very thankful for your love and support. So today we will learn some simple and easy warm-ups in standing position. So let's get started. We'll start with first neck movement. Keep your hands on your waist region. Join your both legs together. Take a deep breath in. Raise your chin up. Breathe out center. Breathe in up. Breathe out center. Breathe in up. Breathe out center. Now second variation. Inhale, raise your chin up. Here, especially for your facial muscles, mouth open and close. Mouth open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Now open, hold there. Close. Slowly neck center. Third movement, slowly. Bend your neck muscles towards your right side, but don't raise your shoulder. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. If possible, you can touch your ear to the shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Now go for only back rotation. Bend towards your right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Then slowly take your neck center. Till now we are done with neck muscles. Now go for your full hand rotation completely, especially for your shoulder joint. Your thumb finger close, stretch your hands forward, exhale forward, inhale back. Exhale forward, inhale back. Exhale forward, inhale back. Then slowly breathe in, broad chest and shoulder, breathe out forward. Breathe in, breathe out forward. Breathe in, breathe out forward. From here, keep your fingertips on your shoulder blade, on your shoulders. Exhale, join your elbows together. Inhale back. Exhale, inhale back. Exhale, inhale back. Exhale, inhale back. Take a deep breath in. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, only reverse direction. Join your elbows together. Breathe in back. Breathe out forward. Breathe in back. Breathe out forward. Breathe in back. Breathe out forward. Breathe in back. So till now we are done with shoulder joint. Now go for your fingers. Take your hands to the side equal to the shoulder level. Inhale. Feel the stretching for your shoulder joint to your fingertip. Breathe out. Breathe in. Raise your palms completely inside. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Try to do at least 5 times, okay? Now open your fingers. Try to tight your fingers completely. Take it inside. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Now tighten your fingers completely. Loose. Tight. Loose. Tight. Loose. Tight. Maybe you will get pain, but don't worry. Just focus on your breath and enjoy your pain, okay? Now finger close. Now go for last one, especially for your fingers and your wrist. Go for wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly down your hands. If you're getting severe pain, you can massage like this, okay? Especially your triceps and biceps muscles. So now we are done with neck and hands. Now we'll go for upper body workout, okay? Now gap between your legs, hands to the side. Now slowly bend towards your right side. Exhale. Inhale center, but don't bend your knee. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Breathe out. breathe in center. Breathe out and hold here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale center. Exhale. Breathe normal and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly center. Now take your hands forward. We'll go for Kati Chakrasana. Twist your upper body. Don't move your lower body. From here, your hands equal to the shoulder level. Twist your upper body. Breathe out. Turn towards your right. Inhale center. Breathe out to the left. Inhale center. Right. Breathe out. Inhale center. Left. Breathe out. Inhale center. Now completely towards your right. Twist more as much as possible according to your comfort. Make your breathe normal. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale center. Now to the left. Twist more. Breathe normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly come to center. Again. Now keep your hands on your waist region. Slowly go for waist rotation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now reverse direction. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. So till now we are done with upper body. Now we'll go for lower body. Now on your knees. Keep your both hands on your knees like this. Now slowly join your legs together. Bend your knee. Straight your knee. Bend your knee. Straight your knee. Bend your knee. Straight your knee. Now go for rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again keep your hands on your waist. So done with knees. Now go for your foot. Slowly raise your right leg up completely. Focus on only one object. Toes pointed out, toes pointed in. Toes pointed out, toes pointed in. Toes pointed out, toes pointed in. Then slowly go for rotation. 1, 2, 3. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3. Now tighten your toe. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very slowly down your leg. Now slowly raise your left leg up. Focus on only one object. Toes pointed out, toes pointed in. Toes pointed out, toes pointed in. Breathe out, breathe in. Go for rotation. 1, 2, 3. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3. Now tighten your toe. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly down. Now completely relax your upper body and lower body like this. Eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Just observe your each and every body part and try to feel activation of your cells. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Well done everyone. That's all for today. All these movements can give energy to your body and start your day actively. Thank you for your patience practicing with me. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe, share with your friends and family. Thank you.